Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today, Bitcoin is being traded at $30,000, and after several weekly bearish candlesticks, it is dropped at the support. We had a nice bounce on the shorter time frame, but still moving very close to this support of $28,600 and the support of this big falling wedge. And in today's video, we will take a look once again that whether is there any possibility that the price line is going to start a reversal move from here and to break out this resistance of the wedge. And we will also take a look at this inverse head and shoulder pattern on this 4-hourly time frame chart, and you can see that still Bitcoin is getting rejected by the resistance of the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me just show you this very big falling wedge pattern that Bitcoin has formed on the weekly time frame. And we can see that recently on 12th of May we dropped at this support of the falling wedge. We had bounced, and we also tested this support of $28,600. The next major resistance is at $33,000, and after that we will have the resistance of this big falling wedge pattern. And this time, for example, if price line moves up after breaking out this $33,000, the resistance of falling wedge will be between $35,000 to $36,000. Now, as in my previous videos, I have been telling you that in case of breakdown, for example, if the price line moves down from here and breaks down the wedge, if we take a look at the target for this falling wedge to the downside, if it will break down, then the target will be here approximately at $14,000. However, we have this 200 weekly simple moving average support, and we can see that historically Bitcoin never break down this support. You can see it tested the support here back in June 2015, again tested here. We had a very big rally, tested it here. We had a big rally, again tested it here in March 2020, then again started a very big rally, and right now it moved very close to this 200 weekly simple moving average. It dropped at $25,400, and the 200 weekly simple moving average is right now moving at $21,961, and there is a very small difference. So in worst case scenario, it is possible that it will spike up to this 200 simple moving average, and Bitcoin also did not break down the previous high in the previous history, and the previous high is $20,000. Now if we switch to the monthly time frame, then I've been telling you that Bitcoin also shows us, this chart also shows us that Bitcoin never breaks down such supports as well. Like right now we are having at $28,600. Like previously we had such support here, and you can see Bitcoin tested this support that was approximately $31 to $200, but could not break it down. And before that we had such support here that was previously breaking as a resistance as well. That was approximately $210, and the price line did not break it down. And every time whenever price line is testing such supports, like previously it tested this support here back in January 2015, stochastic entered the oversold zone. After that it tested the support here in the month of December 2018, and again dropped very close to the support here in March 2020, but could not break it down. And right now it has found such support once again, and you can see this time again stochastic is entering in the oversold zone, and even on the weekly time frame it is oversold, and even on the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame you can see that RSI has also entered the oversold zone. Now it is moved slightly above the oversold zone, and we can see previous history shows that the RSI of Bitcoin never stays in the oversold zone on the daily time frame for a long time. Now if we switch to this 4-hourly time frame, then we can see that here Bitcoin formed this inverse head and shoulder pattern. It dropped here, we formed left shoulder, head, and right shoulder, and this is the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern, and you can see it is getting rejected again and again, and recently it is getting rejected, you can see once again. Now here we can also see that the right shoulder, the support of the right shoulder is here. That is at $28,561, very close to $28,600. That is our major support that I'm telling you that we have, because since after here January 2021, the price line never breaks down this support of $28,600. So again, this head and shoulder pattern is still in play. We can see that still price line is rejected by the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern, and it is also not breaking down this shoulder, the support of the shoulder of this head and shoulder, that is at $28,600 as well. So this head and shoulder pattern is still in play, and for example, if the price line breaks out the resistance of this head and shoulder pattern, then our target can be here. I'm just going to place this trend line at the expected breakout point, and that can be approximately $35,500. That is exactly where we have the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. So we need to keep an eye on this support of $28,600. That is really very important, and also the support of this falling wedge pattern as well. And you can see exactly we have this right shoulder of the head and shoulder pattern. That is a very strong support for the price line as well. So this also update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.